Look at that color, look at the texture, soft, golden, ghee rich. This is Karnataka's most iconic sweet, that's Ghee Mysore Pak. Made exactly the way Amma taught me. Stay with me. Namaskara. Mysore Pak is Karnataka's pride, and today I'm making it using my Amma's exact technique, including one secret trick that nobody else will show you for getting a perfect clear sugar syrup that changes everything. The result, a soft melt in mouth Mysore Pak that tastes exactly like the original sweet in Mysuru. Let us begin. Here is everything you need. Write it down, screenshot this right now. This is the most important thing in this entire recipe. 1 cup of fine quality gram flour, that's Kadlehittu. 2 cups of desi ghee melted at room temperature, and 1 cup of sugar, equal quantity of gram flour. 1 pinch of cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon of milk. This is Amma's secret. More on this shortly. First thing, before anything else, grease your tray or a plate generously with ghee. Do this now, not later. At the end of this process, you will have absolutely no time. The Mysore Pak mixture must go into the tray immediately, not a single second of delay. Grease it now, keep it ready, keep it close. Now take a 1 cup of fine quality gram flour in a mixing bowl. Whisk it or sieve it thoroughly first until there are absolutely zero lumps. Now add 1 cup of ghee to this. Mix everything together until it forms a smooth lump-free paste. This paste is the foundation of your Mysore Pak. If there are lumps here, there will be lumps in the final product. Take your time with this step. Smooth paste means smooth Mysore Pak. Keep the remaining 1 cup of ghee separately beside you. You will need it during cooking. Do not forget this. Now the sugar syrup. In a heavy bottomed pan or kadai, and this is very important, heavy bottom only, and 1 cup of granular sugar. Now add exactly half a cup of water, not more not less. Half cup for every 1 cup of sugar. Turn the flame on. Cook until the sugar granules dissolves completely into the water. Now the Amma's secret technique that nobody else will show you. After the sugar is completely dissolved, add 1 tablespoon of milk directly into the dissolving sugar syrup. Watch what happens next. Within minutes, the syrup starts bubbling vigorously, and all the impurities, the scum and the froth rises to the top completely. Using a tea strainer, carefully remove all the scum from the surface. Look at this syrup now. Perfectly clear, no impurities whatsoever. This milk technique is what gives you a crystal clear syrup that makes your Mysore Pak come out perfectly every single time. This is my mother's secret, and now it's yours too. Now continue cooking the clear syrup until you reach 1 string consistency. This is your most critical checkpoint. Here is how to test it. Take a small drop of syrup between your thumb and the index finger. Put them apart slowly. If a single clear string forms and holds, your syrup is perfectly ready. Watch exactly how I am doing this. 1 clean string, that is it. That is your signal. Your syrup is now perfect. The moment the syrup hits 1 string, immediately add the gram flour and the ghee paste, no delay. Keep the flame to medium to low. Start mixing continuously. Do not stop your hands, not for a single second. Keep mixing as the mixture thickens. Now you will see bubbles forming on the surface. This is good. This means the gram flour is cooking correctly. Now the most important part of this entire recipe, the remaining 1 cup of ghee is beside you. You need to add it gradually. 3 or 4 tablespoons at a time, never all at once. I repeat, never all at once. Add a small pour of ghee. The mixture will absorb it completely. Once absorbed, add another small pour. Keep mixing continuously between each addition. This process will take you for about 20 to 25 minutes. There is absolutely no shortcuts here. You have to keep mixing. You have to keep adding the ghee gradually. This is the main process. This is where patience separates the perfect Mysore Pak from a failed one. I added ghee gradually 4 times till now throughout this process. Each time the mixture absorbed it completely. Before I added the next pour, after approximately about 20 minutes of continuously mixing, you will see the mixture starts to leave the sides of the pan. This is your final signal. At this moment, turn the flame slightly higher, then add a pinch of cardamom powder and give it a final vigorous mix. Now test a small amount, take a tiny pinch between your fingers. If it holds its shape and does not stick, your ghee Mysore Pak is perfectly done. It took me exactly 22 minutes to reach this point. Now do not waste even 1 second. Immediately pour the entire hot mixture into the greased tray. Move fast. Every second you delay, the mixture starts to set in the pan. Pour it all in. Spread it evenly. Now allow it to cool completely for 4 to 5 hours. Let it set completely on its own. After 4 to 5 hours, the ghee Mysore Pak is perfectly set. Run a knife along the 4 edges first. Now place a plate or a platform on the top of the tray. Flip it upside down in one confident motion. Give the tray a light tap from above and look at this. A perfect slab of soft ghee Mysore Pak comes out clearly in one piece. Now cut it in whatever shape you prefer. I'm keeping it simple and traditional. Straight cuts lengthwise, old school Karnataka style. Look at that color, look at that texture. Soft, golden, rich, just like soft candy. This is Karnataka's pride. This is our ghee Mysore Pak. Look at this piece. See the texture inside, soft, porous, ghee rich. Now put this in your mouth and it just melts completely. No chewing needed. This is the mark of a perfect soft ghee Mysore Pak. Karnataka's national sweet, made right at your home. 3 things to always remember. 1. The ratio is sacred. 1 cup of gram flour, 2 cups of ghee. 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of water. Never change this. 2. Add the tablespoon of milk into the syrup and remove all the scum. This is Amma's secret for crystal clear syrup. 3. Add ghee gradually during the cooking, never all at once, and never stop mixing. These 3 things together, perfect soft Mysore Pak guaranteed. That's it. That is Amma's complete secret to Karnataka's most iconic sweet, ghee Mysore Pak. Make this for your family this weekend and tell me in the comments, did it melt in your mouth? I want to know. If this recipe brought you a smile to your face, share it with someone who loves Mysore Pak and it will make their day. In next video, we are back with something your family eats every single day, something so simple yet most people get it completely wrong. You will not want to miss it. So subscribe to Deepaks Kitchen, hit that bell icon. New recipe every Tuesday and Friday. See you in the next video. Till then, this is Deepak Kshatriya signing off and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.